We're here at the Home2 Suites by Hilton, here in Indy, Michigan Road. Yep, I got some Gen2s. Oh boy, Gen2s, here we go. This is for a certain somebody who thinks these models are very exciting. Here are 4. It's 1:30 in the morning, just in time. Take a look at this certificate. 2018. And it's 8 years-ish. True MRL. I hate these things because they're everywhere. Plus Otis' office is not that far from here. So, not that surprised that Otis installed this. Although I think it's funny that we have an old certificate. Let's try and get the other one. Because sometimes these Otis controllers just like to do their own thing. Here we go. Here's the other one. Similar cam, maybe a little bit bigger. The other one. The other one was 2,500. This is 3,500. This one also has the old Indiana certificate from 2018. Does feel weird to actually see this in 2026. I guess they forgot to replace those. Alright, here we go. Alright. Here's Series 2. There's cabs. And one cabinet on the side. Yes, there's only two in well. Pretty nice. Not too shabby. Yeah, that is really weird. To see this at my home stage, especially in 2026. Here was Series 2. This is a Gen 2. Those are the elevators here. Guess that's gonna be it for me.